Hello everyone, I have some exciting news to share. I have just published a new page, new section for Azam Sharp School about workshops. So if you go to azamsharp.school and click on workshops, you will see all the current or future workshops on this page. At present, there is one workshop scheduled for February 24th, 2024, 11 to 2 Central. This will be total number of seats will be 10 and that's it. So it won't be a very big room. It will be a small class, 10 seats, probably 2.5 to 3 hour workshop in which I will introduce you to the RealityKit framework. So you're going to learn about entities, components, anchors, and all the building blocks of the RealityKit framework. You will also play around with gestures, how to drag things, how to actually touch, all that stuff. You're going to load the models and also add physics. So only 10 seats are available for this workshop, and this will obviously be very hands-on workshop. I mean, it's not going to be slides or anything. It's going to be actual. You'll be writing the code. I'll give you the activities, and you will have to do those activities in a breakout room. We'll come back and then we'll revise the activities. A lot of stuff will be discussed in this workshop. So if you are planning to enter into the world of augmented reality, and maybe you want to plan to create Vision OS applications, then this workshop will be very important for you. So go to azamsharp.school and check out the workshops page. Keep in mind that it's only for 10 people, 10 seats, and that's it. So it will be a small, intimate, basically group, and we will learn all together. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my workshop.